A bustling digital cityscape, with screens showcasing various digital marketing campaigns. In the vast expanse of the digital realm, where pixels paint possibilities and algorithms shape narratives, a captivating journey unfolds, a journey of money-making opportunities in digital marketing. Montage of people engaged in different digital marketing activities, from social media management to SEO. Welcome to the timeless narrative of shaping success through the art of digital marketing. Our story introduces us to individuals who, armed with innovation and strategy, crafted their own brand stories in the world of commerce. Animated depiction of a person strategizing a social media campaign. Meet Sophia, a visionary strategist who embarked on a digital odyssey. Armed with insights and a dash of creativity, she wove compelling narratives that resonated across social media platforms, bridging the gap between brands and their audiences. Animated graphics illustrating the power of SEO in driving website traffic. As Sophia's journey progressed, she ventured into the realm of SEO, the digital compass that guides users to virtual doorways. With a blend of keyword sorcery and technical finesse, she directed streams of organic traffic, turning visitors into patrons. An email marketer crafting an engaging email, followed by statistics illustrating open rates. In this symphony of digital marketing, Melody emerged from the realm of email campaigns. David, a storyteller at heart, penned compelling messages that bypassed the barriers of inboxes, forging connections and resonating with recipients. An analytics dashboard showing data visualization, followed by animated graphics illustrating data analysis. Amidst this digital tapestry, numbers became the ink to script success. Emma, a data virtuoso, deciphered the analytics enigma, transforming raw data into actionable insights that charted courses of growth and evolution. An influencer creating content, followed by animated graphics showcasing engagement metrics. But the journey didn't end there. Emma transitioned from behind the scenes to center stage, an influencer who seamlessly integrated products into her narrative. Her authenticity and resonance transformed followers into loyal customers. Animated graphics illustrating affiliate marketing strategies and their impact. The grand finale of our brand story features Luke, a master of symbiotic marketing. With affiliate partnerships, he cultivated networks that blended value and revenue, where recommendations became pathways to profit. Montage of all characters engaged in their respective digital marketing endeavors, followed by the digital cityscape. As our journey through money-making opportunities in digital marketing draws to a close, let us remember, the digital realm is a canvas where creativity and strategy coalesce. Whether you're crafting social narratives, deciphering data's secrets, or becoming a digital influencer, the symphony of digital marketing awaits your unique melody.